So guys, everything is all mixed together. This smells so good. Literally, it smells so good. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Baby Mirror here again. If you're new, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. If you're not new, thank you for sticking around. So today we are going to be doing it ourselves. So I'm going to be doing DIY, do it yourself rice water conditioner. Guys, in my previous video, my 1 year big job update video, I told you guys how I realized that rice water is actually very good for our natural hair. So I have taken it upon myself to experiment the rice water conditioner, and I've used it for almost a month now, and guys, I've been getting tremendous changes. Like, my hair has been growing so well and stuff like that. So I have decided, and I've taken it upon myself to share this tip with you guys. So we are going to be doing rice water conditioner today. So without wasting much of time, let's move into the video right now. So guys, you don't need to break your bank trying to buy conditioner and all that. We are just going to use just 4 products that are very cheap. The first one is shea butter. This shea butter is normal shea butter. There is nothing there. It's just the normal natural shea butter. You can even get it on the street from the old women around and stuff like that. So you don't even need to spend much. The second one is this Cantu shea butter natural hair coconut coiling cream. You can use another natural hair coconut coiling cream if you want, but this is what I use. So this is what I decided to make the rice water with. The next one is the coconut oil. You can use any random coconut oil. And the last but not the least is rice water. So let us dive into making this conditioner now. So guys, this is an empty container where I'm going to be putting the products, the finished products. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is to add the shea butter. Yep. I've added the shea butter. Now I'm going to add the coconut oil. There's like 3. So we are going to mix them together and make sure it's mixed properly. I don't want to add too much coconut oil so that it won't be so watery, because we are still going to put the rice water here, So I've blended both of them so well, and then it's time to add the Cantu. So guys, everything is all mixed together. This smells so good. Literally, it smells so good. You know, this Cantu has some kind of nice fragrance, so it makes it smell so good. It's not too watery, it's a bit thick. Can you see it? So basically, it's not too watery. This is So basically, guys, it's as simple as that. I feel I added a little rice water. Since it's basically rice water conditioner, I would want the amount of rice water, the quantity of rice water here to be higher than others. So I'm adding just a little more, and I'll go ahead and mix them again. So basically, we are done, and this is the finished product. So basically, guys, what this does to your hair is to make your hair very soft. Since the shea butter is there and the Cantu, it defines your curl, not so much, but at least it defines your curl. The coconut oil helps also to keep your hair shiny, and the rice of water helps for hair growth. So basically, what I do with this rice water leave-in conditioner, because it's basically leave-in conditioner, is to apply it on my hair. It's not just the front part of my hair, but basically all my hair whenever I want to style it or do whatever it is I want to do. My hair shrinks a lot, so basically most times if I want to pack my hair, if I want to do some high puff or stuff like that, I might just use only shea butter. But if I want to leave my hair under a wig or stuff like that, I'll just apply this. So without wasting so much time, style my hair this way, and that's it. And if you see my hair, you think it's short, but you don't know that this is so long, bro. So basically, that's what it's all about, you know. I know this video has helped 1 or 2 people out there. So if you like this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video, and until then, bye bye.